There are two ways to update your preferences for the Path to Excel gradebook. From the teacher dashboard, if you scroll down, there's a card that says My Preferences. You can access the same screen directly from your gradebook. By clicking on the @ symbol, you can bring up a window that shows your Path to Excel preferences. Here, you can change the order of your student names on your roster, so you can display by first name or last name. You can configure your display name, which is how your name shows for the students. You can turn on an advanced user interface for yourself. This will enable you to see all of the different cards that are available in Path to Excel. And you can turn on the Student Advanced interface, which will give your students information about how they're doing in class. Let's take a look at that interface now. So here's one of my students. You can see at the top of the screen all of her grades in my classes, and I have a message to her that I've entered through my preferences, and then there's a list of missing work that she needs to turn in. So to configure these preferences, when I click on the @ symbol, here you can see this is where I'd edit my intro text. I can choose to hide or include the grade summary chart by clicking this box, and then I can choose how that shows. So I can hide effort grades, I can show my grades as percents in grades or grades only or percents only. I can display a progress report for students so that they can see all of the assignments and the scores they receive so they can determine what's bringing their grades down if their grades are low. I can choose to display category scores for students. This will enable them to see that they're getting like 25% in quizzes and 100% homework, and maybe they need to study better to bring up their grades. I can display learning target grade summaries, and this will show them how they're progressing towards standards. And I can choose which subjects display. I can choose how assignments are displayed. So I can have assignments on or after, so this would show a date. Let's do this week. I can show scores for the assignments, and I can show assignment details. I can choose to include a digital portfolio so parents and families can see work that students have uploaded into their account. I can also set a daily email to parents, which will include grades, scores, assignments, and I can choose the subjects that I want. If you're a combo teacher, all of your classes will display here, so you can set the preferences different for your different grade levels. Once you've set your preferences, you can click Done, and your students will be able to see it. They may have to refresh the screen in order for those changes to show up. So you'll see once my screen refreshes that my message will change. Thanks for watching.